Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. As you can see here, we have the GT20 Ultra smartwatch. And on our previous video, we already paired it with the support app, the Fitpro application. And of course, we have here on the support app, we have the dial settings. So we are going to check on this, and of course the available watch faces or the preloaded watch faces here on our GT20 Ultra smartwatch. So we are going to check on that. We are going to download some watch faces and of course custom watch faces. So if you have any questions, any queries regarding the smartwatch, especially on the watch face section, the dial settings or the dial section, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so we have here, we are paired with our smartwatch as you can see here. So let's check on the available dials or watch faces for our GT20 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so we have here our smartwatch. So let's focus on the screen display here. So it is already preloaded with a watch face. So this one is not working. So to change the watch face, all you have to do is just swipe the screen display. Okay, how many watch faces do we have? Let's count. We have, let's start with this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 5. We have at least 5 watch faces. Again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have at least 5 watch faces, a combination of analog, okay, and digital format watch faces. Okay, so it seems like we don't have a lock for our watch face here. Okay, so if you want to download additional watch faces, you have to pair it with a Fitpro support app. Okay, and of course go to the dial settings. We have here the dial settings. Tap on it. Okay, let's see if we can download. It's now loading the watch faces. Here are the available watch faces for your smartwatch. Okay, okay, still similar format for the Fitpro. Okay, no changes even though we have a different smartwatch here. Still the same format. All of these are custom watch faces and they all have the same, okay, format. Okay, just different background. So disappointing for our GT20 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, it's been years but still no update for the watch faces for our Fitpro application. Anyway, let's try. Okay, let's install a watch face. Okay, so it's loading. It is a bit slow. Okay, we have here, so Christmas theme watch faces. Let's pick one. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, tap on it. It's now loading. As you can see here, you can directly change the background here. Okay, so it is just it's all a custom watch face. Let's have another. Okay, it's a bit slow from the Fitpro side. Okay, let's see if we can change it. We have here permission. Allow Fitpro to access photos and media files on your device. Allow it. Okay, so you can download the additional watch face here, or you can change the background. Anyway, in our case, let's leave it as it is. Later on, we are going to go with the custom watch faces. We're going to check on that. So let's pick this one. Then synchronize dial. Okay, got it. As you can see here, our smartwatch switched to downloading the watch face. 8.9, 10%, 14%. Let's wait. %, 40, and we're getting closer. We're almost 50% here. Okay, our smartwatch restarted, and we have here the watch face. Okay, so let's see how many watch face do we have now. 1, 2, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. We have at least 6 watch faces. Let's change the background here. Let's pick this one and let's see if this thing works. Check. We have here the demo, a preview of your watch face, then similar action, synchronize dial. And let's wait. It's now loading. Did it work? No. Again. Got it. And that's it. So let's wait. Okay, so we are getting closer, and let's see. Our smartwatch restarted, and we have here a custom watch face. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded a custom watch face. Okay, so that's it. In short, all of these are custom watch faces. So nothing else. Okay, nothing to be excited about. The available watch faces for your GT20 Ultra smartwatch. It's all digital generic watch faces. Okay, so here in our smartwatch, you can only add one watch face. You cannot remove some of the preloaded watch face here. Okay, you can only add one custom watch face. Okay, so there's no other design for our watch face section or the dial settings on our Fitpro applications. Okay, and of course for your GT20 Ultra smartwatch. So that's it. Again, if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have the time.